So if you look at October in particular was a big month, given both the festivals in the same month, and therefore the volumes were extremely high. And in fact, in most of the dealership, the inventory levels have come down. And even if you look at November, one expected that will November be slow from a retail perspective, having seen such a big October. I think the news is good that even in November the momentum seems to have continued. I am talking specific of the semi-urban rural market, and we do believe that even December would be good given the year-end kind of a model change that would happen, and in the last quarter one would want to see the coming in of BS6 post-April. So I think there would be a lot of programs that the dealers would want to offer, and we believe that the momentum would continue. So I think clearly, as I said, the festival season was one of the best, and that was the expectation. And it appears that the sentiments post that has changed, and we would definitely wait to see how the farm cash flows pan out to be during this quarter and the next quarter. I think coupled with that and the sentiments changing already, we continue to believe that it would be a good offtake going on. So that's exactly what I said. Even though this crop was a little delayed, as well as there was some damage due to extended monsoon, but the water level being extremely good, we do expect that the next crop should be absolutely good. And that's the indication that we are also getting from some of the pockets across the country. And that's the positive news, and that's the buoyancy I believe that will take the offtake keep going up. So clearly, our approach, multi-product, multi-geography, has worked well for us. Pre-owned vehicle has been a growth engine, and we believe that the momentum of AUM growth that was witnessed during the year would continue. And as I said, the festival season was good, and even the November, December seems to be, the November was as well good in retail. December seems to be promising. So we don't have any major issues as far as the growth is concerned, both in terms of volumes as well as AUM going forward. So this has been historic, right? Every year, if you look at it, the second half is definitely good given the festival season, given the harvest money coming in, also the economic activity pick up post the seasonal impact. So we see the same trend continuing. And like any other year, we would definitely see the 2 quarters of the second half should turn out to be much, much better than what we've been seeing in the past. So repossessed vehicle stocks are very, very low. We have about 1,500 branches, and the total number of vehicle in stock would be not more than 15,000 or so. So that's not an area of concern at all, because we definitely see the customers are willing to come forward, settle their account. Very surprisingly, normally what we have seen in the past is when the business is good, even the recovery is good, which is nothing but the outcome of the overall cash flow being good. But in this round, we've definitely seen one thing all through the year, which is even though the volumes were low, the business was low in the first 2 quarters, etc., but the customers have been discharging their liability. In fact, you would see our NPS have not grown like normally it does in the first half, and then it starts coming down. But in this year, you've seen the NPA stabilize, and in fact, it's come down and not gone up, which is nothing but a direct indication of customers having money and willing to discharge liability, even though they are a little reluctant to add asset. So I think the overall collection has been good, the efficiencies have been good, the delinquencies have been well under control, and as I said, the repossessed stock levels are pretty low. That's not an area of concern at all. So, the erratic monsoon has had its overall impact definitely, and the sentiments did go low. As I said, the water levels are good. I think everyone is eagerly waiting for the next crop for sure. I think even in this round, one has to look at it by pocket rather than overall averaging it out. There would be some good pockets where the yields would be good definitely, and with the support price, the cash flow should improve. We generally see the sentiment stabilizing post-festival, and we do see real positivity. And as I said, the year should go through well with the next crop likely to be good. I think the overall sentiments will remain positive.